name is Chris Chew, and my interest and focus really is really also in the area of mindset, because I feel this is really an under-focused area in organizations. I mean, organization leaders may say that they understand the importance of mindset, but probably they have not given it enough attention. That's what I feel, because mindset is this intangible thing, right? And most people are not sure how to go about it. And that is exactly what I've experienced myself when I was during my corporate life. While we know that the mindset is so important, how do we go about it, helping people identify and then perhaps shift the way they think, the mindset? So for me, for a leader in this new normal, his or her mindset is very important, because it will affect how the leader leads himself or herself. And that in turn will then affect how he leads other people. So for the employees, I think it's the same. Employees need to be able to lead themselves well, especially during these times, right? These stressful times and these disruptive times, because people are working independently and they don't necessarily go into the office. So the ability to lead themselves well is very important. And in my coaching work over the past year, I have seen how this aspect of it is very important, the leading self part. In order for us to thrive, we cannot just focus on solving problems. It's focus on the problem, but we need to also focus on the opportunities, right? It's a completely different frame of looking at it, right? Not just solving the problems, but looking for opportunities. So for me personally, what I've done a lot more is cultivating these positive emotions. And when I say positive emotion, doesn't mean those are like being happy, the happy feelings, but positive emotions can be like things like gratitude, about inspiration, and even cultivating more amusement or humor in how I feel. So those are the things that I'm a lot more sensitive to now.
Knowledge and skills are not enough when it comes to effective leadership and change. I will be talking about the third critical piece, and that is the role of mindset for effective leadership and change. I will share some examples of disempowering mindsets that leaders fall into and how to overcome them.